In 1940, a hiker stumbled upon a peculiar arch in Utah's desert. This natural wonder, formed over millions of years, was a testament to nature's artistry. But how did these arches come to be? Wind and water, relentless sculptors carved through sandstone, leaving behind these majestic formations. The hiker, mesmerized, pondered the patience of time. Could these arches hold secrets of ancient civilizations? As the sun set, casting shadows through the arch, he felt a connection to the past. These arches, silent witnesses to history, remind us of nature's power and mystery. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.